If you can't focus anymore, it's not your fault. Your brain's two main chemicals are fighting each other right now. Most people blame themselves for being lazy, but really, it's a dopamine imbalance. Dopamine pushes you toward excitement, novelty, and quick rewards. That's why scrolling feels easy, but studying feels impossible. But here's the twist nobody tells you. Serotonin is the chemical that gives you stability, calm, and long-term focus. And when serotonin is low, your brain can't stay on one task, even if you want to. So you're not unmotivated. Your brain is literally chasing balance, not goals. If your dopamine spikes constantly from scrolling, games, or chaos, serotonin can't keep up. You're not broken, you're overwhelmed. Follow if you want to understand your brain, not punish it.